Hi, my name is AJ.
Emily Southard.
Brooke Loy. I'm Ria.
I'm Mika.
And our goal is to get sponsored by Bird Scooters by documenting our attempt at creating UT-specific branded entertainment called Words on Birds. As we were exploring the trend of rising opinion leaders and influencers making a living off of sponsorships and endorsements, we decided that social media would be the best medium to showcase our work to try and reach our goal. After consulting with an expert and coming to terms with our probable failure,
I love failure. You have to fail in order to succeed. You absolutely have to fail.
we contacted some local influencers to partake in our project and took our idea to the streets.
I don't know. Honestly, I think the odds are stacked against us in every single way. But, you know, maybe, just maybe, Bird wants to sponsor a group of kids who want to do a talk show about them. I don't know. It could happen.
So tomorrow we film our promotional video that we're gonna post on social media and see where it goes from there. I'm really excited. We've been talking a lot about how ambitious this project is, but I think we'll pull it off and it'll turn out really cool.
Hi, this is the UT Austin edition of Words on Birds, where we'll be interviewing students like you to figure out what's going on the 40 acres. Join us on our mission to get sponsored by Bird. What do you think is scarier, space or the ocean?
The ocean.
The ocean. Nice. What do you prefer, Bird or Lime scooters?
I hate both of them.
You hate both?
Yeah. Why are you riding one?
What? What? Oh, sir?
No?
Sir? Sir?
Get the hell off.
Oh my god. Sir, can someone... Well, since you're at UT, is there anything specific you like about it?
The turtles are pretty cool.
The turtles?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you think they're real or animatronics?
I hope they're real. If not, then I just wasted my admission here for nothing.
Well, then I wish you the best.
Hopefully.
Do you like Bird or Lime?
You know, if I had to pick something and it had to be divine, when it comes down to either Bird or Lime, I had to pick a bird because I'm flying so high, soaring like an eagle, I'll be chilling in the sky. People always wonder and I never know why. They be asking me, what, a bird or a lime? I say it's a bird because I'm on prime time and I'm rapping every day, and I do it in the night when I ride on my lime. Psych, I be on a bird all the time.
Word?
They be like...
I was wondering, do you prefer Bird or Lime?
I don't ride any of those.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, I prefer Seagull.
Oh wow, okay.
Pretty cool.
Okay, hey, do you prefer Bird or Lime?
Oh, that's cool.
Me too. Thank you so much. I see you all like riding Bird as well. I was wondering, Bird is the word? Is that what I hear?
Bird is the word.
Bird is the word? You heard it right here.
Also, birds are created by the government.
Do you prefer Bird or Lime?
Birds.
Oh great, that's great. Me too. Words on Birds. Yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Yeah, we'll see you next week when we join you on Words on Birds. Thank you guys so much and help us get sponsored by Bird. Thank you. You heard it here. Words on Birds. Yeah. Woo!
So, our project is over, I guess. We put together a promotional video, we tweeted it out, and I can say I'm super proud of the outcome. Within the first 12 hours, we got around 7,000 impressions and 2,500 views, and that has gone up since then, which is great. We even got a tweet from Bird. And even though they did not offer us a sponsorship explicitly, at least we've got some type of acknowledgement.
Stuff may not work, but a lot of times when you start executing an idea, the idea evolves as you work on it and you flesh it out. So as that idea evolves, you end up with something better than you started with, as long as you're open to knowing that point A to point B might not be, you might not get to point B, you might get to point B and a half.
Okay.
And sometimes that's more interesting.
So although we have yet to receive our sponsorship, there's always plan B and a half, which is Late Night Lime.